Alright guys, I'm back with another unboxing video. I got another package from my boy Daniel, aka Danny the Tranny. Oh! 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 I remember this one. It was Ghoulish Productions mask that he cut up and whatnot. Yeah, I can do something with this thing. I've seen these repainted before, and these things look really badass repainted. Yeah, I'll definitely do something with this thing. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit! Edward Scissorhands hung himself. Well, here we have a suicidal Edward Scissorhands action figure. And here we got a ghost face mask that they put a white hood on. And I think he said that this is a staged used piece. And, you know, he's in his band. Forgot the name of his band because I'm an awful friend. Anyways, this is really cool. I like this a lot. Got some marks on the mask, but they don't fucking matter. It just adds character to it. Staged used piece of his. One of those, you know, clear transparent masks with lots of face paint on the inside. Kinda don't want to touch this thing. She's wearing rubber gloves or some shit right now. Yeah, that's really cool though. I like it. Got a little symbol on the forehead. Then I'll put this in a glass case and never touch it again. Jim Root, that he yeah, I can fix that. Put some tape behind it and seal it in and then repaint it. Definitely fix this thing and restore it back how it's supposed to be. Oh! Dang it. Here we got a Jim Root Jester Blank. This is from the original Slipknot period, where they modified the Halloween mask. This is a recast of the same Jester mask he used. And it is, oh goddamn, it's a thick boy. It's really, really thick. But yeah, I want to be converting this for my own collection, and I'm not looking forward to it. I converted that last Jester for him, and it was a bitch. And this is a thicker cast, so it's going to be even more of a bitch. Ah!